Looking to build a successful career in tech or data? Whether you're a student, fresher, or a working professional, we've got the right launchpad for you. At Seco Coding, we offer industry-focused training for both tech and non-tech backgrounds, designed to match real-world demands. Here's a quick look at the first 4 weeks of the program. Over the next month, we'll cover the foundational topics and key concepts, setting the stage for more advanced material in the coming weeks. As we move into weeks 5 through 7, we'll dive deeper into more advanced topics and hands-on projects. By the end of week 7, you'll have gained practical experience and a strong understanding of key concepts. Let's continue our journey. Our course catalog covers a wide range of domains: Python programming, data analytics, data science, data engineering, DevOps, full-stack development, and cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and more. Every course is designed with hands-on training, real-time projects, and mock interviews, so you don't just learn, you build. By the end of this program, you will have a solid understanding of core AI concepts, mastered machine learning techniques, built deep learning models, and learned to apply ethical AI practices in real-world scenarios. What sets us apart is our strong emphasis on outcome-based learning. From day one, we guide our students with personalized mentorship, live interactive classes, case studies, assessments, and doubt sessions to ensure clarity at every step. Whether you're analyzing data in Excel, building dashboards in Power BI, training ML models, or deploying code on cloud platforms, our focus is on skills that employers value. These are just a few examples of how our program is helping individuals achieve success and transform their careers. So if you're serious about upgrading your career and want structured learning with real opportunities, now is the time. Join Seco Coding and let us help you turn your potential into a professional career. For more learning and updates, follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Insta, or Seco Coding Telegram.